Hi, I'm Jimmy Yu. I'm the lead analyst at Dell'Oro Group. I track the router market. I have the honor of sitting here with Mr. Cai, president of the router domain of Huawei data communication product line, to talk about the IP network, the evolution and direction of it. If you think about it, on the one hand, the operators are facing a problem. They have the issue with slow revenue growth from traditional services. They have higher operational costs, right? Difficulty monetizing new services. And then you also have AI. AI is coming along and we see the benefits of AI. We see the enablement of experience-based operations, improving O&M efficiency, as well as accelerating monetization. But on the other hand, the industry has proposed a direction for AI and network convergence based on the ever-changing applications and terminals. So against this backdrop of this evolving market, what new solutions and products has Huawei launched, and what capabilities has been enhanced to help operators achieve business success?
At this year's Mobile World Congress, we launched our latest NG-WAN solutions and products for operators. It upgrades the IP barrier network in 3 dimensions to bring new value to operators. First is security and resilience. We've built security capabilities directed into our routers, achieving native end-to-end security. This lays a solid self-defending foundation for operators. Second is multi-dimensional awareness. By recognizing both bit and token traffic, we ensure a premium experience for high-value users and monetize computing power. It helps operators increase their revenue. Last is network autonomy. We've redefined operations with network spirit, enabling automatic fault diagnosis and closed-loop resolution to help operators boost efficiency. We also hope to work with global operator customers to jointly move towards the next generation of IP barrier network and help accelerate the growth of operator business.
For the home broadband and enterprise services, how does Huawei's new solution enable the network to understand services, and what actual business value and benefits can it bring?
In the home broadband market, more and more operators are launching differentiated packages to stand out in the market. However, as encrypted traffic keeps growing, application identification rates have dropped sharply, and experience assurance no longer works. Huawei has launched the industry's first multi-dimensional traffic-aware board. It can accurately identify base services by learning traffic characters. The encrypted traffic identification accuracy is over 95%. This will ensure application-level experience assurance, and differentiated package upgrades can help increase ARPU by more than 20%. With this board, we can also complete price user portraits in minutes. This upselling rate is increased by more than 3 times, helping operators efficiently obtain customers and increase revenue. In the government and enterprise market, currently a large number of enterprises have started to rent computing power from operators to improve production efficiency. Our solution helps operators provide distributed, collaborative training, inference, and storage computing separation services to enterprises, achieve 95% computing efficiency over hundreds of kilometers. At the same time, based on the lossless algorithm, we can convert training inference data into unbreakable high-dimensional vectors, protecting enterprise data security. Compared with traditional private lines, these solutions significantly increase the ARPU and helps operators monetize computing power while improving the GPU card rental rate by more than 20%.
Now let's talk about AI a bit. So currently AI also brings new challenges to network security because AI tools can generate new attacks rapidly. There are huge amounts of attacks on operator networks every hour. In addition, there are thousands of route hijacking incidents worldwide every year. How does this solution address these threats?
Network security has become the lifeline of operators. For APT scenarios, traditional security solutions provide an external defense, where once an attacker breaches the boundary, they can remain undetected for a long time. Our intrinsic security board enables devices to real-time sense abnormal behaviors of files, memory, processes, and traffic. It can also detect and block instructions, avoid attack lurking and spreading, and ensure always-on services. For route hijacking scenarios, through a 40-dimensional knowledge graph, it dynamically identifies the attribution of routing addresses, paths, and tampering of router information, ensure zero routing hijacking in critical scenarios.
Another question I have is, in recent years, with the gradual commercialization of quantum computers, quantum security threats have become imminent. In addition, quantum hoarding attacks have become a reality. The data is stolen now and decrypted later, right? So what breakthroughs and upgrades has your solution achieved in the field of quantum security?
Okay. So the quantum security actually is a very hot topic. To address this threat of quantum cracking, we are launching a quantum security solution this year. It supports operators in building quantum secure barrier networks, ensuring zero user data leakage. Operators can use this as a selling point to improve dedicated line profit. Most regions around the world have not yet built QKD networks. So we upgraded the PQC algorithm at the data layer. In this way, operators only need to upgrade their software to gain quantum security capabilities. It helps them seize the first mover advantage of quantum value-added packages. In addition, for operators choosing the QKD solution, we have launched the industry-first intrinsic QKD board. Through our exclusive noise suppression module, it achieves the integration of QKD and communication networks. Operators do not need to add new equipment or lay additional fibers, which can reduce the total investment by more than 60%.
My last question here is, as business scale and complexity increases, the frequency of network failures is rising, and we see that today. At the same time, due to operational cost pressures, the number of O&M personnel has decreased instead of increased. How can Huawei innovate operators' traditional O&M modes and improve efficiency?
Okay. Actually, we use network spirit to reconstruct OEM system, enabling the shift from passive response to proactive OEM. First, typical faults are self-closed. The spirit can accurately detect the root cause of problems. 80% of faults can be automatically resolved. Second, network hidden risks are self-identified. We rely on Huawei's unique CMOS risk algorithm. It can perform online learning and reasoning, thereby identifying risks in advance. With these two breakthroughs, our solution comprehensively reduces OPEX, improves OEM efficiency, ensure a high quality and stable IP network.
Okay. Oh, thank you very much. This was very informative.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.